The scariest thing I learned this week is there are around 20 active supervolcanoes on Earth right now, capable of killing over 1 billion people. So what if one erupted? The most famous is, of course, Yellowstone. There's a 1 in 730,000 chance that it has a super eruption this year. If it did, things would get bad fast. The surrounding area would be covered in lava and ash. Hundreds of megatons of ash would be sent into the atmosphere surrounding the entire Earth. We would be plunged into volcanic winter. Temperatures would drop by 5 degrees Celsius worldwide. Acid rain would cover the Earth and agriculture would collapse. Mass famine would decimate the Earth and we would be set back for centuries.